Hey gang, this is LT Fit here, and today I want to talk about better. Now, what is your excuse that's stopping you to becoming better? Everyone can stand to be better no matter what you do, no matter what profession you're in, no matter how much money you have, no matter how much money you don't have. Everyone can stand to be better at something. So what is stopping you? What is holding you back? Is it the fear that's holding you back from being better, just in case you might fail? So is that holding you back from striving for better because you don't want to fail? Is that what's stopping you? What is that stopping you from being better? Today, don't let excuses stop you from being better. Go after the better you. Reach for another level. You can do this, but you got to step out and do something. You can't just make excuses. You have to do something. So today, commit to do something that's going to help you to be better in the future. Have a great day.